get double tap screen off and on in any Android. In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can get double tap screen off and on. First, launch open your settings. Now you want to scroll down and find the advanced features option, select that. Now select motions and gestures. Here you will find the option double tap to turn on screen, and you also have the option double tap to turn off screen. Now right now it is toggled on, so if you want to turn it off, simply toggle these option off. But if you want to toggle it on again, simply go ahead and toggle it on in this way. Now, if you do not find this settings over here, then what you can do is head over to your settings, tap on the search icon right here and simply search double tap. You will find the option from here. You can simply select that and then turn it on or off according to your wish. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.